Everything started with the question, how can 3D printers be made extremely precise, more reliable, and at a fraction of the cost of what industrial machines are normally offered at? My name is Clay Guillory, and I'm the founder and CEO of Titan Robotics. Titan Robotics approaches the 3D printing industry through a different set of eyes. Instead of scaling up inferior 3D printer designs using low-cost components, we scaled down the industrial CNC machines which have been around for over 50 years. Our engineers have an extensive background in the CNC milling industry. We've taken our knowledge and experience gained from designing multi-million-dollar CNC machines and applied the same principles to the design of Titan Robotics 3D printers. We know what it takes for a machine to really last a lifetime and keep its original precision. That's why the steel frame is the foundation of any great machine that we produce. Using 100% American steel, we weld the frame here in-house. We then have the frame, bed, and other components machined on a CNC planer mill. Combine that with precision ball screws that have zero backlash, and our machines are more accurate than any other 3D printer on the market. This extreme precision is what gives our machines the accuracy and repeatability that is required in any high-end machine. All of our electronics are housed in a separate enclosure, which allows for easy access for the customer. We also provide all electrical schematics with every machine purchase. It allows to quickly diagnose and replace any components should the need arise. This box also protects the components inside from exposure to high temperature. This feature allows our customers to choose whether they would like to add a heated enclosure so they can print large-scale ABS or other high-temp exotic plastics. Titan Robotics uses AC servo motors instead of steppers. Utilizing some of the best AC closed-loop servos in the world, the motors we use move the machine at over 1,500 millimeters a second. That makes the servo motors 10 times faster than frequently used steppers. This speed is important when creating large parts. And as far as the rest of the electronics, we use name brand high quality components from Japan and Germany. At the heart of the Atlas is an open source CNC controller called a smoothie board. It uses a 32-bit ARM processor and an onboard SD card, which is much more reliable than any serial connection. It can process complex G-codes without any hiccups or lag. And with this electronic setup, we are confident running month-long prints successfully and sleep well at night. Our software is open source, and we utilize the open plastic market, which means our plastic is not proprietary to our machine at all. So this actually reduces the operating cost, and our customers can see a return on investment on their machine purchase in a very short amount of time. Our machines will push almost any filament that's thrown at it. We also offer higher temp solutions for customers willing to experiment in the realms of Ultim and Peak. Clients can order reels of up to 50 kilograms of any material they would like in almost any color. When printing for weeks on end, it's nice to know that you won't have to swap filament in the middle of the night. However, if you do run out of filament or have that rare filament jam, prints can be easily restarted from the layer failure. Titan Robotics thinks ecologically and sustainably in all production processes. With a rock-solid frame and motion components, our machines are upgradable 10 years from now. All of these elements combined with top-notch craftsmanship mean that our printers are extremely reliable, more precise, and at a fraction of the cost of what other high-end 3D printers are normally offered at. We help inventors and visionaries make their ideas become something tangible. What gives me fulfillment is when I see what our customers have produced using our machines.